Hi guys, my name is Allie and today I'm going to try out this hot air brush. It is a hairdryer, volumizer, and detangler all in one. So I'm excited to try it. I did just shower, so my hair is wet. I let it air dry just a little bit, just so I wasn't dripping wet, but I'm going to try this out and give you guys my honest opinion. This hot air brush comes with a cute travel size case. Look at how cute it is. It's gold and it fits perfectly in there. This tool is honestly the perfect travel size. Okay, you guys, I'm all done and I'm actually pretty impressed by this. This is just a little travel size that is so easy to take along on trips. Look at the volume and my hair feels so soft and smooth. I'm impressed. This is good.